Hello teacher, today in this video we will explain how this project was created. This is our complete HTML and CSS code, and this is the result we achieved. Let's first look at HTML. This is our document, declaration and head section. The second body of the page. The body section contains everything the user sees on the page. The content is wrapped in a div class app to group it together. The third sidebar section, a side class. This defines the sidebar on the left side of the page. Bookmark manager. This is the title of the sidebar. The nav tag contains links, two links. Fourth, text section in sidebar. Div class tags. This section allows users to filter bookmarks by tags. Each tag is represented by a label with a checkbox and a number showing how many bookmarks belong to that tag. Main content area. This is a 5-hour section. Main class. This is the main content section of the page. Inside the header, we can saw a search bar where users can type to search for bookmarks by title. Button class. This is a button to add new bookmarks. A heading that shows all bookmarks. This is all bookmarks. Div class grid. This is the container for displaying the individual bookmarks in the grid light. The 6 bookmark cards. Div class card. Each bookmark is shown inside the card. Fronted matter. This is the title of the bookmark. P. This is the description of the bookmark. Div class text. The text related to the bookmark are displayed here. The same structure is repeated for several bookmarks, each with its own title, description, and tags. The 7th section. This is a closing text. The div class grid, main, div class app elements are all closed here, marking the end of the respective sections. Finally, for example, body and HTML text close the body and the HTML document. Next, I will explain the CSS section. Explanation of CSS section. The first, this is a universal reset. Margin 0, padding 0 removes default margins and padding from all elements. Box sizing, border box. Makes sure padding and the borders are included in the elements total width and height. Font family, this is our font. The second, body, sets the background color of the page to a light greenish blue. The third, this is the app, display flex, makes the class app container a flex box allowing child elements like a sidebar and main content to be arranged flexible. Height. This is a height. Sidebar styles the sidebar with a white background padding and a right border for separation. Width 240 pixel. Fixes the sidebar width. Border right 1 pixel solid. Adds a light gray border on the right side of the sidebar. Fifth, this is a sidebar nav display block, makes each navigation link a block level element so it spans the entire width. Border radius rounds the corners of each link. Next, this is cursor pointer. Change the cursor to a pointer when hovering over a link. The sixth, this is a main. Flex 1 allows the main content to take up all remaining space in the app container. Padding 30 pixel adds padding inside the main content area. The seventh, header display flex. Use flexbox to align the search input and the add bookmark button horizontally. Justify content, space between places, space between the elements inside the header. 8. Grid container display grid. Use CSS grid to arrange items in rows and columns. Grid template column. Repeat min max 270 watt fraction. Creates a flexible grid, then automatically fills available space with columns of at least 270 pixel width. Gap 40 pixel. Add space between the grid items. 9. Container card background white. This is a bookmark card background. Box shadow. This is adds subtle shadow to give the card a floating effect. The last container, this is a tag span. Background color or background gives each tag a light blue background color. The tag text is a darker greenish color. Border radius, this is around the corners of the tag. That's all. This is our all of the project code.